Okay guys, so I just gonna show you what Adrian P sent me. Remember in his last video he gave me a bird, John Bird 2022 who flown 500 miles. And this is the one. He's a fighter in my hand. Like he said, he's molting. 1028. It's beautiful. Blue bar, white flights, strong. He's molting, like he said. So thank you, Adrian. Beautiful. And not only sent me one, he sent me two. This beautiful hen. Look. Easy girl, easy. See the color, beautiful color. This is a 2020, I guess. Yep. 1081, 2020. Beautiful. Thank you, Adrian, once again. Beautiful birds. All right. Thank you. Beautiful. Okay, so they're gonna be here for a few days. Here used to be my breeding section for last year. Now I have to move all the boxes to the new breeding section out there after young birds season. 2 more races and that's it. I want to start working on moving this out of my garage. All right guys, so let's watch race number 6. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Friday, November 4th, race number 6 today. 250 miles, 240 miles for me. You see the day is kind of cloudy. 10 minutes before was sunny, but wind, it's around 9 miles per hour coming from northeast. See the clouds, they moving so fast. So we're gonna have 10 miles headwinds, and at some point they're gonna have crosswind from east, so they coming from south. so let's see how they do. It's gonna be a tough one again. I sent 25. The ones they have all winds, all flights, all winds complete. And I keep sorry, I keep like an 8 right here in the loft, the youngest one, because they missing 9 or 10, or they have like a 10 halfway. Actually they are those ones. The one I keep right here, they just went rolling for a little bit. So I keep this one right here, probably done for the season. I don't know if on the next race I see if they have at least the 9 flight halfway or more and tailwind, I will send them. If we still having headwinds, probably they done for the season. Okay guys, so it's around, not around, it's exactly 11:01. Speed shows 2700s and 3400s, so probably it's gonna be kind of slow speed, but we'll see. All right guys, I wanna clean the loft. Well guys, we got 3. Come on, come on. I did not expect those ones. But let's see. Okay. Who's clocking birds? So first three. 1277 the speed. Coming from Anderson. Where is it? Okay. Another three. Come on. Okay. Coming a little late, but they here. Yeah, so they came from that direction, which the other guys has like 8 to 10 miles less than me, but yeah, they follow that side because the air pushing that way, so that's fine. I'll take it. Come on. Probably from race A still. Come on, come on, come on. That's for race B. Come on, come on. I believe this one is still from race A. Good boy. Come on, boy. Nice. I think it's the second one on race B. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm here. He landed. He got scared of the vultures right there. Come on, boy. They gone. Come on, boy. Come on. They gone. Good boy. Yeah, he was scared of the vultures. Here. Come on. Some of them are attached to me. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. And some of them, I have to go down out of here so they can land. They don't want me here. But most of them, I can be here and they land. No problem. Where is it? Oh, it's over here. Come on, easy. It's an airplane. Easy, easy, girl. Come on. Come on. It's okay. It's okay, girl. Come on. I know guys, I need to put a fence right there so they can go straight to the landing board, but that's the plan for the next season for sure. Okay, so I've been receiving some good comments about put a fence, put something wire or something to put to make the land on the landing board, but that's the plan. That's what I did, this landing board in front. So I'm gonna extend it a little bit, but on all bird season, all last season birds, and this season, whatever leftovers, they're gonna be landing right there next season. All right, guys. But thank you for your comments. I appreciate it, and you'll see it next season. Thanks. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna end up the video right here. The arrivings. I'm going inside with the computer, so gonna show you some of the results so far. I got 18 out of 25. All these are the ones has like 9 flight or 10 flight missing, or halfway, or not even halfway. So I decide to keep them inside here. All right, guys, let's go inside. Come on, Grisel. Good girl. Come on. Come on, girl. You're late, but better than never. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you some of the results right here. Not officials until we clear the clocks, because some of the members doesn't have benzene life. But let's go with the results of last race, like almost 2 weeks ago, 200 miles. So this is race A. So I got bird on 5th place, and 11 on 10%, and 12 place 20%. The rest of them out. That was a good race. Let's go to race B. Race B, I got place on 3rd, 8th, 9th, 10%, and 14, 15, 20%, and out the rest of them. Good results. So let's go to today's results. Let's go to race A. Okay, race A was released at 8:30, 250 miles, 240 miles for me. So James, again, he got from 1 to 8th place. Congrats to this guy, he's doing good. And then Sunshine, 9 and 10th, and then Tommy, and then me on 13, 14, 15, and then 22, 23, 25, 26, and more. So thanks, congratulations to this guy again. And then Sunshine and Tommy, good job. So let's go with race V. Okay, it was released at 115 right here, but I think it's like 150 total on both races. So I got the first place so far with the speed of 1291. Barely look the next one. 1291, probably few seconds. So I got the first place right there and all the way to 17. It was a tough race. Winds at 8 to 10 miles northeast and east, kind of cross at times. But okay guys, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next race. 300 miles is gonna be a good one, and we're gonna have a 350 miles after the 300. Okay guys, stay tuned. Thank you for watching again, and see you in the next one.